the final task of paper 2 after the database task, which is quite a long one on database reports. You've got the database labels. You've got the mail merge, which is 11 marks. So it's actually more than the database labels. Half of what you would get for the whole database report. So it's not too difficult. So this is mail merge. So prepare a mail merge letter using the file M16 mail. So I'll drag that onto Word. Okay, so that should open that up. As your master document and M16 Offices as the source data, you will need to insert relevant fields from your data source. Okay. You will need to replace today's date with a field to display. Okay. Okay, proofread and spell check. Letters are required for Bangalore and Chennai. Turn field display off. Merge and print letters to these two regional managers only. Make sure your name, okay. So in Word, you've got almost like a template. Okay, so you have the template letter, and then you're going to change these addresses for whatever is in, there you go, Offices. So I'm going to actually drag that onto Excel just to open it up, just to see what it looks like. And then you actually do the mail merge from within Microsoft Word. But I'll just see what is actually on Offices. Okay. This is one actually you may have seen from the database report. So you have got, so it's Bangalore and Chennai. So all you want is the two people. Okay, so they're basically the two records in the database that you want to be part of the mail merge. Okay. Okay, so like before, I'm literally looking at this for the first time. So to do a mail merge, if you go to Tools, you've got Mail Merge Manager, and you have 1 to 6, almost like different steps. So I'm going to do Create New. I think it's form letters. Okay. Quit Outlook. Okay. Now that was a strange message, but okay. That's basically what should happen anyway. You're creating a new form letter. It's trying to open up Outlook, which I think actually I've uninstalled from this Mac. But that's something just to test out. But that looks right actually, because you've got main document, merge type is form letters, and now you're going to get the actual spreadsheet. You know, it says get list here. So I'm going to click on that. I'll try it. I think it's open data source. Again, I'm deliberately not rehearsing this, sort of going through it again. I haven't done a mail merge for probably about 6 months. I forgot. Anyway, so it's that spreadsheet, which was okay. Which one was it? Offices. Okay, maybe 2. I just looked in there. Okay, M16 Offices. That looks it. That was it. Okay. So I'll click Open. All right. Okay. So it's got that. I can see there. It's got that list. Now this is the bit. I'll just see if I click here. Okay, good. I've got 4 address lines. That looks good. I've got an Office ID. I'll just see what I need to put on there again. So you will need to insert the relevant fields. Okay. Replace director with your name. Replace X with the center number. Okay. Alright. So I'll go back to Word. I think basically I'll get rid of address 1. Do I double click? I can't remember. Okay, you drag it. Alright. So I'm getting rid of this address 2 here, and then getting the address 2 from here. Just dragging it inside. Okay. So address 3. Address 3, address 4. So dear, and then it's got, okay, title. I think actually I could get rid of these here. I think they're just there. I'll do it anyway. I think they're only there just to show you the fields that you need to replace. So I will get rid of that and then get rid of that. Right, regional manager, so I should have a name here. Okay, yeah, lovely. Okay, that's looking alright then. So I should be able to get rid of that and then just drag regional manager. So it said replace director with your name. So you would put your name there and then whatever your candidate number is. Alright, okie doke. And I think it said time or dates. What was it saying? Okay, you need today's date. Okay, day, month, year. Okay. So I'm gonna get rid of that. If I do insert, there should be, where's date gone? Okay, date and time. Day, month, year. It's that one. Hang on. Yeah, DDMM. That's right, yeah, 11th of December. You just got to be careful. That's the, which I would call the UK formula, where you've got day, month and year. Just have to be careful. But we'll do that before. I'll set all them to, so it's not the American format, which would be month, day and year. But we'll do that before the day. So that's, is it the 11th of today? Oh yeah, it is, okay. That's it then. That should be the main bit done. Okay, and it says filter, right, so this is the bit where you only want Bangalore and Chennai. Before I do that, it says, I'm fairly certain there'll be some spelling mistake in it. Please select, so you would, actually no, what I'll do, no, I'll do it now. Okay, tools, I will do spelling and grammar. Please select the staff from your office who may be interested in, okay, I'll ignore that one. Please select staff from your office who may be interested. No, that's alright. There's nothing wrong with that grammar, so it all looks okay. Alright, and this is the filter option. So we are filtering on office, and it's got to be equal to, and this is where it's Bangalore or, and that's quite important actually, the or bit, because you might get a different result if you do and, but if you do or office equal to Chennai, I think. Chennai, hang on, Chennai, Bangalore, okay, Chennai, right, and click OK. Alright, and now I'm going to complete the merge. And I think we print it out. Alright, merge and print the letters to these two only. Evaluate the use of evaluate the use of mail merge to produce these letters. Oh God. Type your evaluation in the evidence. You get 4 marks for that. Well, it's very useful. I mean, I'm just trying to think mail merge. I mean, mail merge on this particular one. I mean, it does save you time if you had 100 different records. I mean, this spreadsheet is quite small, but you can. I mean, in fact, to evaluate mail merge, do you know what, I'm actually gonna, basically it automates things that would take a lot of time. You might have, if you want to address it to Calcutta and Mumbai as well, it'd be very easy to change that. Yeah, I'm gonna do the mail merge, and then as I'm doing that, I'll think about other things. Other evaluation things you could put. Right, I'll do merge to printer. It's probably going to take a bit of time. And I hope this works. I'm going to click. Okay, I don't actually think. Because I'm not connected to the printer, you won't quite get the right result. So what you do, on the day, do merge to new document. And it's worth doing that first, because then you can actually just check your results. Now that looks good. It's Bangalore, good. Yeah, dear Miss Gad, yeah. Got your name down the bottom. And, okay, yeah, lovely, Chennai. So it has actually done, yeah, brilliant. So it's only done those 2. And so that is where you would do file and print. And that's it, that is the mail merge, that's 11 marks. Alright, advantages of using mail merge. It's stored in I think looking at that, it's a database, so if you made a change in the database, your mail merge documents would then be changed automatically. It does make it a lot more automated, so you can have set up the template and just have your company logo and things like that on there. Spelling and grammar checking, yeah, which you've done as part of it, so that you can do that. That helps with doing mail merge. It's just a slightly odd question to be asked, I think. It's easy. It's just easy to send out a lot of letters to different people. That threw me. I don't remember that question appearing in any other that evaluation, but it looks like more and more. This is 2016. It looks like we're being asked to evaluate, the effectiveness of what we're doing. So that's something that it's happened on the spreadsheet as well, I think. Okay, so just think about when you're doing it, what was the advantage? Well, it was very quick, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and you've done it. And if you made any changes to the spreadsheet, then it would get reflected in the mail merge. So once you updated your database, the mail merge would get updated. I guess if you wanted to say one disadvantage is you have to know how to do the mail merge. You might put the wrong data in or something, or the wrong field in, but so it would take a bit of training. You could say put that, but I've got 30 seconds, so that's it. That is the mail merge. Very, very simple actually, and you've got quite a few marks. The most difficult bit is this bit, I would say, where you've got your filter options, which I can't get onto now, but if you come back to that, that's where you do that. So you would put, Bangalore or Chennai. Okay, done.